Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to back up all apps on Android device. So let's start. First open Google Play Store and search for Assistant for Android app. This app is completely free, so download it and open it right now. This is the home page of this app. Now scroll down and tap on Backup and Restore. Here you will see all the apps on your phone. To back up all, tap on Check All and then tap Backup. I'll just select a few apps. Tap on Backup when you are done. Now close this app and open My Files. Now tap on Internal Storage. Here you will see a folder named Android Assistant. Tap on that and you'll see all your backups here. These are APK files. Now if you tap on a file, the app will start installing. But first let's uninstall the app and then install it from here. Now tap on the APK file to install the app. Now tap Install and the app will start installing. When installing is done, tap Open and the app will open up. And that's how you can back up and restore apps on Android. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.